Hey kindergarten, welcome to today's math video. We're going to start something new and I'm so excited. I think you guys are really going to like it. So let's go ahead and get started. So one thing that we've been doing is comparing numbers, right? We've been saying if I have the number 3 and 1, circle the bigger number. So I would circle 3 here, right? Okay. Now, as we get older, we are going to be learning new things, and now that we have mastered this, it's time to move on to the next step. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning symbols. Now, symbols are like little pictures that would help us compare numbers and help us to decide which number is bigger or if the numbers are equal to. So equal would be if they're the same numbers or if they're less than, okay? So what we're going to do is I want you to think of a shark, okay? A big, big, hungry shark, or it can be a big, big, hungry alligator, whatever you want, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just do the shark, okay? So let's say that in this circle, I have 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. But in this circle, I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, I'm the shark, and I'm big and hungry. Which circle am I going to go to eat the fish? Am I going to go to the circle with 3 fish, or am I going to go to the circle with 5 fish? Okay, so of course I'm going to go to the circle with 5 fish because I'm big and hungry and I want to eat 5 fish. I don't want just 3, I want 5. So that's the bigger number. That's what I want to go after. Now, our symbol that we're going to draw is called a greater than sign. And it's going to look like that, okay? Kind of like an open triangle. But what I want you to do is I want you to picture a shark's mouth pointing towards the bigger number, okay? So if I were a shark and I want to eat the bigger number of fish, I would open my mouth towards the bigger group of fish, all right? Because that's what I want to eat, right? Okay, so I hope you're with me. If not, remember, you can always FaceTime me, call me. I can always help you through this. But we're going to do some, we're just going to keep practicing, okay? So let's go ahead. In this pond, I'm going to put 2, 3, 4, okay? There are 4 fish in this one. And over here, whoa, we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. All right? So, now remember, I'm the shark. Now, the shark always wants to go for the biggest number of fish to eat, right? Because they are very hungry. So I'm going to draw my shark's mouth open towards the number that is the biggest, okay? So 4 or 3, which one's bigger, kindergarten? So 4 is bigger. So I'm going to draw my shark's mouth open towards that 4 so I can eat the 4 fish, okay? Now, I already have some over here on this back. And instead of drawing the pictures of the fish, I just drew the numbers, okay? So if you need to, you can draw the pictures in circles. Pause the video, go ahead and grab a piece of paper and marker to help you see which one has more and which one has less. Starting at the top, we're going to start pretty easy, and then as we get down, we're going to get to some pretty big numbers, okay? And then I will go over your worksheet today, okay? So remember, that shark, the shark's mouth, is always going to go towards the number that is the biggest, okay? So let's look at our first one, 1 and 3. Out between 1 and 3, woo! Which number is bigger, 1 or 3? So 3 is the bigger one, so I'm going to draw my shark's mouth open towards the 3 so that I can eat the 3. Right? That's bigger. I want 3 pieces of cake. I want 3 pieces of chocolate. If I were a shark, I'm going to eat the 3 fish. All right. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. I've got 9 and 7. So is 9 bigger than 7 or is 7 bigger than 9? Which one is the bigger number? So 9 is going to be the biggest. So I'm going to open my shark's mouth towards the 9. Okay. Oh, now on this one, we have 10 on this side and 10 on this side. So 10 and 10. Are they the same? Are they less than? Are they equal to? 10 and 10 are the same. So I'm going to draw an equal sign in between them, okay? Because 10 isn't bigger than 10, right? So they're the same. And when things are the same, we're going to put our equal to sign in the middle, okay? Let's go ahead and jump down to our next one. I've got the number 20 and the number 23. Which one do you think is bigger? 20 or 23? So 23 is going to be bigger. I'm going to draw my shark's mouth open towards that 23. And then we're going to do our last one. We've got the number 100 and we've got 80. Which one is bigger, 100 or 80? So 100 is actually going to be the bigger one. So I'm going to draw my shark's mouth to be open, okay? Now, so kindergarten, that is all we have to do for our worksheet today. What you're going to do, now, I guess I should have started this video. In your packet for day 7, it says that the video today is using addition to create numbers and making 6 and 7 both sides. That's not correct, kindergarten. So don't follow what's on the packet. I'm not sure what happened there. But the worksheet that is in the packet is the correct one. So this is the worksheet that goes along with today's video. It's called Comparing with Clovers. All right. So what you're going to do is you are going to draw your shark's mouth in the circles to compare the numbers that are partnered together here. Okay, so remember, our shark mouth is always going to go towards the bigger number. So let's look at this first one. Okay, we've got 22 and 23. Between 22 and 23, which one is the bigger number? So 23 is, so I'm going to draw my shark's mouth open to 23. All right, the next one here is 82 and 82. All right, so what sign do I have to put in my circle if I have the same number on both sides? I'm not going to draw a shark because they're equal, so I'm going to draw an equal sign. Okay, and I'll do the next one with you, 14 and 19. Which one is bigger, 14 or 19? So 19 is bigger. I'm going to draw my shark mouth open towards 19, okay? So that is it for today, kindergarten. If you have any questions with math today, like I said, please, please, please email me. We can FaceTime. You can call me. I'd be happy to help. But other than that, kindergarten, I hope you have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.